Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have VS Code installed and a file open. Start by selecting the language mode so commenting follows correct syntax. Next, place the cursor on the lines you want to comment or select a block. Use the toggle line comment shortcut, Ctrl+/ on Windows/Linux, CMD+/ on Mac OS. This is fast because VS Code maps to each language's comment token. Once done, you'll see comment markers added. This prepares you for block commenting and custom shortcuts. You now need block comments and efficiency tricks. Select a multi-line region and press Shift plus Alt plus A or Option plus Shift plus A on Mac OS to wrap with block comment tokens, which works across many languages. If you need different behavior, open keyboard shortcuts and remap toggle block comment or toggle line comment. This ensures your workflow matches muscle memory. Make use of multiple cursors for commenting scattered lines, Control plus Alt plus click or Alt plus click, and then apply the toggle to all cursors at once to save time. Finish by verifying comments compile or are ignored as intended. Run a quick lint or build to confirm. If comments aren't applied correctly, make sure the file's language mode matches the syntax, because mismatches change comment tokens. Disable extensions that alter editor or key bindings to isolate conflicts, then rebind shortcuts if necessary in keyboard shortcuts. If problems persist, open a new VS Code window to test defaults. This helps identify configuration versus environment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.